Good evening. Welcome. Yes, ma'am. So, are we ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
Ah, my sister, what would we have done without you? Eh? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
My daughter, for this thing you have done for us, God will continue to bless you for us.
Amen.
Adoma, listen to me. If you like, when you get back to the palace, misbehave again. Continue misbehaving.
Do you need to tell her? Do you need to tell her? You don't have to. She already knows. She already knows what will happen to her if she eventually come back to the house again.
I guess she has learned her lesson and she has taken to corrections. Besides, I'm so happy the thing took her back because it's a rare privilege. It has never happened before.
And you will pivotal for it, my sister.
It's true.
Forever remain grateful to you. Yeah? God bless you. God bless you more and more. You continue to be fine and be shining like this.
Amen. Let's go now.
Bye bye, oh.
Bye bye, oh.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
It's good to have you back.
Thank you.
Ada,
Ma.
you know what happened to repeat itself again, no? You know how much you need this job. You know how much your poor parents need this job. You know what happened to happen again. We are an adult now. What is good sometimes may not be right. But sometimes, what is good, you have to do it. Do you understand me? Let the angels fight the miss.
Yes, ma.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma.
Be a good girl.
Thank you.
Now that you are back, don't misbehave.
I promise I will not disappoint you or my parents. I'll be a good girl. Thank you so much, ma.
Please go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Mama, do you know that maiden that was sent out of the palace, the queen accepted her back?
How did you know that?
You ask as if I'm a novice in this land. I have my source around the palace.
That's very much unlike the queen.
Do you know that Achalugo went with the girl's parents to plead on her behalf and the queen accepted her back?
Imagine.
I am telling you.
So, Achalugo actually can be that nice.
Don't mind that evil woman, Mama. Don't mind that good-for-nothing woman. Mama, I will so deal with that woman. I will so deal with that Achalugo.
That's your boyfriend, or is he your suitor?
Mama, whose boyfriend is he? He's not my boyfriend, people. Not my boyfriend. Ibelebe, what are you doing in my house?
Calm down now. Is that how you welcome a prince?
I should start shouting, jumping or dancing to welcome you, right?
See, I didn't say you should be jumping and dancing. But at least welcome my prince would have saved the situation. Just say welcome my prince. And stop calling me ebelebe. Say welcome my prince. Say it.
Welcome my prince.
No.
So what are you doing in my house?
You see, it's because of what I've been telling you. You know, I am serious about marrying you. So, I don't know why you are delaying this thing. Or should I go ahead and bring my people? You're not saying anything, so I should go ahead and bring them. Ebelebe. Oh God. What is all this now? Stop this Ebelebe. Call me Prince Ebelebe or Prince. Just say it. Come on, yeah.
Prince Ebelebe.
Hey, Odumnobi. It's not that I'm shouting.
You are shouting already.
See, you know why I'm saying all these things, I want to start that to make that water pie.
Oh, you started this already. You're making me angry now. In fact, come and go and give me a reply later.
I am sorry now. I am sorry. What I'm saying is that
Come and go, baby. I will give you a reply later.
Okay. You say you give me a reply later?
Yes, I will give you a reply later.
But this idea of giving me a reply later every time I'll give you a reply is not working for me. Stop this ebelebe! Stop this ebelebe! Call me Prince Ebelebe! Prince Ebelebe! No. Call me Prince Ebelebe!
Prince Ebelebe! Biko Ejimchuku Yoagi, I will give you a reply later. Oh, Prince Ebelebe, I will give you a reply later.
Oh God, I'm so happy. Now my peace of mind is restored.
Me too. Do you know that it's actually our prayer that brought you back? Like I personally fasted and prayed for your return. I'm so glad you're back. And God answered. Amen.
Yeah. Yes. What a prayer answering God we have.
Yes.
Yes, so because ordinarily the queen wouldn't have gone back to her vomit. You know her.
I know. But most importantly, I missed you girls and I'm so happy to have you back.
Hunger is a bastard. Let me see who we form her to get again on top of hunger and poverty.
Zonike.
Uncle, look at you. Just a night, you have lain down.
Adoma, the prince demands for your presence in his chambers now.
Oh,
Prince Abani Abaka. Prince Abani Abaka. Don't you shift now? Shift your eyes.
Did your poverty-stricken parents tell you the role I played in bringing you back to this palace? Huh? Did they also tell you how I persuaded the queen to go against her wish in bringing you back to this golden?
Yes, my prince. Thank you, sir.
Oh, I see. I've been wondering after seeing your parents, after seeing how they look, after seeing their true identity. I've been wondering what gives you the nerves, what gives you the audacity, what gives you the mind to be proud and for you to as well reject my advances. Coming from that poor home, you still maintain that useless word of I want to maintain my dignity as a woman. What dignity are you talking about? Which dignity are you talking about?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You're sorry? You should be happy that you're having a thing with the Crown Prince of Umudim Kingdom. Yes, you should be jumping up and down by now. That I desire you. That I want to have something to do with you. To do with a low life like you. I want to have something to do with you now. Yes, I want to feel you now. So, get ready. Let's do it.
My prince, please. I beg you. Just ask me for anything else to show appreciation. I will do it. I'm sorry.
And what do you think you can do for me? Tell me. What do you think you can do for me?
Anything at all. Anything.
You cannot do anything for me. You do not have money. What do you think you can give to me? Tell me. Eh?
My princess, it's just...
Hey, I want to have you. Eh? Let me just have
my princess, I made a vow. I made a vow to my chi that any man that will touch me would only be my husband. Please, that's why.
Are you a virgin? Oh.
Yes, how may I help you?
Achalugo, I've come to find out what my daughter here and I did to you, that you hate us this much.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What don't you understand? Answer the question, Biko!
Yeah? Are you mad?
Yeah.
Is something wrong with you? Are you not afraid?
Afraid of you? Why should I be afraid of you? Is it because you practically lick the queen's axe at all times? That's why I should be afraid of you?
Now listen, madam. If you don't take your daughter out of my compound, the two of you will spend the rest of your life in the cell.
You see, we will leave. But before we leave, I want you to know that I heard everything. I know everything that is going on. How a stranger, somebody that is not even from this kingdom, came and was employed. And when the queen sacked her because of misconduct, you solicited for her. That was an opportunity for you to bring my daughter in. After all the gifts you collected from us. Why are you like this?
Ugly things like this detest the queen. This thing standing before me. See how ugly she looks. You want this thing to be in the palace or work in the palace?
I'm ugly, Okwaya. I'm ugly, Nabi. When you are busy collecting our files, you don't know that I'm an ugly girl. Now you are finished collecting our files, I'm ugly. You see those files? You are going to bring them out now. Go inside there, bring our file. Let's go with our file. You must bring it out. Did I beg you for foul? You must bring it out. Hey! You must bring it out.
Wait for me. Let me call the DPO. Like the two of you don't know me.
Mama, happier. Okay, wait.
Hello?
Okay, wait.
Yes, DPO. It's me, Acharugo. Please, I need you to send 2 of your men to my compound. I have 2 touts. 2 village touts constituting nuisance in my neighborhood. Please send your men to come and get them arrested. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, you not call police, Abi. You are calling DPO, yeah? Let DPO come. Let the police say you may go. Police, they don't remember police. But if that chicken, in you get with ya. You must bring them out. You not call police. So police, they don't know. But if that gift, you get with ya. You get with ya.
Let's go.
See, is that if I run into you, I will show you that if I run into you. Mama, it's because of you. Look at this all game.
Don't mind them.
Oh, why? Why? You never want me to dance away with this mugu. See, get our waist. Rubbish.
It's not to be arguing with the parents that gave birth to you. Hey. How can two monkeys go and give birth to each other? Why would they give birth to you? It's not a monkey like them.
You look at.
Yeah, if you're angry with me, as well as I gave birth to you. Hey! Ugly thing. Hey! Don't go and vex your anger on your parents that gave birth to you. Or when you don't look at themselves, matching themselves together as husband and wife. Nonsense. Hey!
You still didn't let him have his way?
I couldn't.
Hey God, are you not jeopardizing your stay in this palace again?
My question is, the prince, doesn't he have a girlfriend? Or a fiancé? Or maybe a woman he's very close to?
Well, I heard there's a marriage arrangement between him and the daughter of Igwe Umu Okika, Princess Oma. The two kings made the arrangement before our king died.
I see. So this Princess Oma, she doesn't visit the palace?
No. She was born and raised abroad. Oh. She'll be coming back after her master's program for the marriage rites.
I just feel really bad for her. I mean, how is she going to feel if she finds out that her husband-to-be sleeps with my palace maids?
But she's not going to find out. Nobody is going to tell her. She does not come around, so how will she find out?
Where is that doctor?
Oh no, she should be inside. She should be inside.
Tell her to see me in my chambers, right?
Our princess, Prince Uko, ladies, beware of him. But dangerous when it comes to offending. Prince like a salad. Prince like a salad. Our prince, why are you like this? Are you possessed or what? Why are you making yourself less of what you are? You have no control over your urge. Why? What do you stand to gain in all this? What do you stand to gain in all this you are doing? Remember, this way that seems right in your eyes, the ending is destruction. Imalukwa, the ending is destruction. Imalukwa, Prince like a salad.
What's yours? What are you trying to say? You're the dirty one. What's yours?
What are you saying? It's yours.
Long live the Prince of Umudem Kingdom.
Did any of the palace servants come to call you or not?
He came, my prince.
I don't get it. He came.
Yes, my prince.
And he did not come to answer. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, some people can be stupid and useless at the same time. Like, how? How?
So why didn't you come to answer me?
My prince, I am sorry. I don't, but...
It's just that what? Huh?
But
Hey! Listen up. You've crossed your boundaries in this palace. And trust me, this time, you will beg to leave, but it will be too late. The tail of a sleeping tiger cannot be turned to a toy in the hands of a child.
Yeah. Adoma, you are very lucky. Extremely lucky. If I were to be the prince, Makachuku Makagod, what I would have done to you, you will not believe it, even in your next life. What is giving you the morale and courage is what beats my imagination. America! I saw your parents the other day, and I saw how tattered and hungry they were looking. You don't ever enough form hard to get. Girl, common sense is not common. Azuka, enough! Enough of this rubbish. Enough of what? Huh? Enough of what? Are you happy the way this thing here is treating the prince of this kingdom? Azuka, it is her body, yes, her life and her emotions we are talking about here. And what useless life are you talking about, Oluchi? What life? Huh? If she has a life like you claim, then what is she doing in this palace? She should be out there enjoying herself rather than being here acting like a slave. No, rather than being a slave in this palace.
Osgo, huh?
Rubbish.
It's okay.
Sit down, let me continue with your hair.
Stop crying. crying.
Sit down! She will carry it like this,
Don't
oh.
mind them.
Azuka.
Don't allow this to get to you.
Like how? Very nice. Odaba, where is the meat to ask this young lady to go and bring? That is the only problem. You don't always have enough meat. Eh? Say 2 naira meat is finished.
The girl is not serious.
I don't know. But only her Pama is very good though. Pama is very good. That's the only thing good about her.
I'm with you.
Greetings, my son.
Bill. Is this not the son of late Adako? The one she had out of wedlock?
Ije. He is.
Really? He's a full grown man now. Now, how are you?
Yes, indeed, I am fine. I actually saw both of you here. I decided to come in to discuss something very important to me.
What is very important to you? Yes, Amici.
Please sit down.
I don't need to sit down, Dichi. I can't be sitting with my elders. I prefer standing.
What is the problem?
Dichi, both of you are aware that my late mother served the late king as a chief cook in the palace.
Exactly, we know.
Yes, we know. We are aware of that.
We are aware of that.
You see, my mother was hiding the identity of my father to me. And I've tried everything possible for her to tell me who my father was. But she refused. But before she died, she revealed to me that the late king was my biological father.
What? Why? And what happened?
You know what? You are saying that your mother told you this?
Yes, she did. And I can swear with any deity of your choice.
Yeah. You are telling us that your mother told you this?
Yes, she did.
So you are actually telling us that your mother told you all this?
My elders, I won't be lying to you. I can even swear with any deity of your choice. Yes. She told me.
What a revelation.
My elders, my question now is, what could be done for me to go back to palace where I belong? That is my question. What will I do?
Yeah, my son. Your question is very heavy.
Very, very.
But I will assure you that very soon you'll get a reply from us.
Thank you so much.
You have done your bit. Take it from me. You have done your bit by telling us. So it is up to us now. We are going to take this matter up. I assure you.
Thank you so much, my elders. I shall be waiting to hearing from you people.
No problem. Very soon. No problem. Very soon.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
No. That boy looks like somebody who wasn't joking.
He wasn't joking at all. He was serious.
But the question is, how do we help him?
I suggest we go to Ornament first. Then, after that, we'll know what next to do.
Alright. A step at a time.
Exactly. Let's go and see Ornament.
A step at a time.
Huh? Yes. Let us do the first thing first. Yes. Then, we'll know the rest in this village.
My queen,
Hello.
the ceremonial adoption of the year of the prince is coming up December. And the initiation too into Ejiribiri fraternity comes up by December, barely 2 months. So I'm worried.
Oh no. What are you worried about?
I'm worried about the prince. Yes, because I have not come into this palace and seen the prince with any girl. I'm not even aware of any serious relationship with the prince, with any girl in this kingdom. So I'm worried.
Oh no, he is very much aware and is looking forward to it.
Let me ask again, my queen. Is he also aware that after the initiation, that he will ascend the throne as a king after his father? And that can never happen if he's still single.
Well, he has a date. His father made the arrangements before he died. The prince will marry the princess of Umokike Kingdom. So there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
My queen, that is wonderful. I mean, great. I don't need to worry about anything.
Sure.
Anyway, can I see him if I go?
Sure.
My prince. My prince. My prince. The Queen Mother asked me to call you. My prince.
Where is the prince?
Your Majesty, I knocked severally at his door, but there was no response. I even shouted from outside his door, telling him that the Queen sent for him, but there was still no response, my Queen.
Thank you. Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Excuse me.
Yeah, hold on. Oh. What, are you okay?
I sent someone to call you.
Well, no one came here.
How? She said that she knocked for some minutes and didn't get any response.
What I'm telling you, no one came. No, I didn't hear any knock.
How would she be lying against you?
No. You mean the maid, Adoma? If it's that one, Mother, you should forget about her because she's possessed.
Are you kidding me?
No, Mother. I'm serious.
Well, the Uno is waiting for you outside.
Okay. I will join you soon. I will join you now. Yes!
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my prince.
So, which of you was sent by my mother to call me when Ono visited? How dare you?
I'm sorry, I kept knocking, but you didn't open the door.
Hey, shut up! Come here. So you're still lying in my presence? Are you mad? You're still lying in my presence? Come back here. I said come back here. Come back here. Shut up! I
said shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You have to be careful with me in this palace. Did you hear what I said? You have to be careful with me in this palace. Be careful! Be careful! Careful with me! Be careful! Rubbish! Rubbish! Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Don't joke with me. In this palace, do not joke with me. Stupid girl. Rubbish.
Do not joke with me in this palace. This is what we call a resounding slap. Let's know if some people's brain will reset. Factory reset slap.
Azuka, nobody has your time. Get out! Get out! What rubbish! Come on. Don't blame you. You've chosen the path of integrity, so you have to be strong. It's not the path for a feeble-minded. I would have loved to go through this path of honor with you, but I'm not as brave as you are. The only thing I can do is encourage you and wish you well. And my spirit tells me that this path you've chosen will only lead to greatness. Yes, you heard me. Greatness. Take it.
Ola dino dino de ola dino dino de ola dino de ba ola dino dino de ola diaku welu gage utaya ola. There are 3 types of slap. Number 1, resetting slap. Number 2, reorientation slap. And your kapata of them all, the type of slap that can raise the dead. Number 3, awakening slap.
Are you done? You're so insensitive. Don't mind me. It's alright. Don't cry. I believe in you. Okay?
Honestly, I've been trying to ignore the prince's excesses, but it's really getting out of hand.
Is it about sleeping with the maidens at will?
Not just that. He's been trying to lure Adoma into his useless kind of life. He's been trying to sleep with her, but the girl refused. And now he's just frustrating her for nothing.
God, I pity her. Poor girl.
It's very, very, very bad. Can you imagine he told me to change the duty roster and put her in for everyday work when it's not even her turn?
No, now. This is wickedness.
Pure wickedness.
Just why?
The innocent girl for nothing.
I think you should report him to the queen. I think you should do that.
I think that is not the best plan for now.
So, what do you think is the best thing to do?
I just want to keep observing. Let me see the way things are going. Then I will know what to do. I'll do what's on my mind.
Man, but this is wickedness.
Can it be that stupid and useless? I won't be very wicked and useless at the same time.
This is insane.
Very, very insane. How did you Jackson?
Can you imagine?
What's stopping you from changing the roster as I asked you to do?
My prince, I noticed that will amount to ineffectiveness of services in the palace. That is not how only I will finish all the chores in this palace.
That's the aim. Punishment. Yes, I know she will not be able to finish all the chores in the palace. By then I will see the room to punish her.
Prince, please, with all due respect, there are other maidens in this palace. She can't be the only one doing all the chores. There will be lapses. It's better we leave it the way it is, if you ask me.
No,
please.
No. That's what the prince of the land wants. So you do it.
Well, my prince, the queen will not be happy when she finds out that there are lapses in the palace. I will advise we will leave it like that. She will never be happy if I do that, please.
Allow me handle that part, okay? I know what to do. You can go.
Can I advise you?
Yes.
I will advise you leave this job, leave this palace and go back to your parents.
Why?
The prince doesn't like you. He hates you with passion. He has plans to frustrate you till you die. I will advise you leave this palace in one piece and in pieces.
My life is already frustrated. If I go out there, I'll meet more frustration. My parents will frustrate the living day out of my life if I leave this job. They solely depend on what I make here for a living. Whatever the prince has in mind, he should bring it on.
Look, you don't understand the kind of plans the prince has for you.
I need this job. I need the money.
And what about your sanity?
I won't sell my body for anything. I will not.
Look, you have to choose between your sanity and your salary.
Both. I choose both. I can have both. But whatever wants to happen should happen. Because I believe that when there's life, there's hope. I can't leave this job.
Well, I'm just telling you what you really need to do. Okay? Your sanity is always better than your salary. My advice.
It's 2 weeks now. I met Ichiendo and Ichianya concerning my paternity issue, and they promised to get back to me. But I've not heard from them. What is really going on? If the mountain cannot go to Muhammad, I think Muhammad have to go to mountain this time. Yes. I will go and look for them. That is what I will do.
Who is here?
It's you.
Give me 1 cup.
I'm coming.
Pepper. Oh, this one is fresh.
Very fresh. Thank you.
Nne, please come.
My money is 300 now.
300?
Yes.
Please, I want to ask you something.
What?
Those elders I met here the other day, the last time I came, have you seen them?
I don't know what you have discussed with them, but since that day till now, I have not seen any of them. They used to come and drink here often, but since that last time, I have not seen them.
You've not seen them?
I have not seen them.
What could have been the problem?
I wouldn't know. My money. My money.
You can keep the rest.
Thank you. Okay, is there any problem?
Something must be going on. This is not just mere coincidence. They are not going to that bar, must have something to do with me. What do I do now? Who will lead me to any of their houses? Or better still, to Onowo's house? I need to see Onowo myself. Let me know exactly what is going on. Yes, that is what I'm going to do.
Yeah, who is that? Who is that? Yeah, come in.
Good morning, my princess.
Shut up. Do not say good morning to me again in your entire life. Did you hear what I said?
Okay, my prince.
Rubbish. Rubbish. Nonsense!
My prince, I'm here to tidy your room.
Who cares? Huh? You are here to tidy my... Who cares? Go ahead and do it and take this your nonsense body out of this room. Now!
Okay.
Stupid girl.
because she's a poor girl. She has nobody to.
Mother, I do not know why he chose to leave. Well, he can leave now. Huh? I can.
Did you have problem with him or any other palace servant?
Mother, how will I have a problem with them? Huh? If any of them chooses to mess up, I will put them in their place. Huh? I am the prince of the land. I will have a problem with a mere palace servant? No, that's not possible.
You know, deep down inside of me, I know that Jide's resignation has everything to do with you.
Mother, you are now making me to feel bad. Eh? Jide is a grown-up. He can make decisions for himself. Eh? Why is that bothering you? If he chooses to leave, then fine. He should go. What we should be thinking about is how to get a replacement, someone that is fit to replace him. Not pointing fingers.